beauty between Japan and America that I just can't win. In America, I'm an extra small. Here in Japan, I am taller than most of the men, and I'm a large and considered curvy. It makes sense? It doesn't. In America, my lips are considered small. In fact, people used to call me a white girl and make fun of my tiny lips. Here in Japan, my lips are giant. I'm not sure what to do. Bigger, smaller, I don't know. In America, people make fun of me for having a really tiny butt. But here in Japan, it's considered huge. Like, huge. My modeling agency has asked me to lose weight, specifically in my behind. I don't know how to do that. I cannot win. In America, long hair means that you're young and free-spirited and beautiful. But in Japan, it's complete opposite. Long hair means that you're an old auntie. I feel like that's confusing because I don't know which one's best. I'm just gonna live.